Onions, a kitchen essential, adding flavor to dishes worldwide. But have you ever wondered how these humble bulbs are grown on such a massive scale? Behind every onion lies a story of hard work, science, and nature's magic. India, one of the world's top onion producers, thrives in regions where fertile soil and ideal climate fuel massive production. With over 25 million tons harvested annually, onions are a key part of India's agriculture and global exports. From seed to harvest, let's explore the incredible journey of how Indian farmers grow this kitchen staple. Onions are not just a kitchen staple, their seed production process is equally fascinating. But have you ever wondered how farmers grow onions specifically for seeds? It's a process that requires patience, skill, and the right environment. Growing onions for seeds. Did you know a single onion bulb can produce thousands of seeds? And how onion seeds are grown, from bulb selection to harvesting. For high-quality seeds, farmers use varieties like N53, ideal for winter, and Agrifound dark red, heat-resistant with excellent seed yield. The land is plowed, enriched with compost, and onion bulbs are planted 30 to 40 centimeters apart to allow proper growth. With the right irrigation, nutrients, and pest control, the plants mature and bloom into white flowers, signaling the start of seed formation. Bees and wind play a vital role in transferring pollen between flowers, ensuring good seed production. Some farmers even keep beehives nearby for better pollination. Once flowers dry, they are cut, dried further, and gently rubbed to release the tiny black seeds. After cleaning, the seeds are stored in dry, controlled conditions. These valuable seeds are then used to grow strong onion seedlings, which serve as the foundation for a successful harvest. A well-prepared nursery bed is essential, enriched with organic matter and designed for proper drainage. The seeds are evenly sown and lightly covered with soil. With regular watering ensuring quick germination. Within 6 to 8 days, tiny shoots appear. And over the next 40 to 50 days, the seedlings receive balanced fertilizers, irrigation, and pest protection to develop strong roots. Once the seedlings reach 15 to 20 centimeters in height, they are ready for transplanting to the main field. Onion cultivation in the main field. Before transplanting, the soil is well prepared by plowing multiple times to break compacted layers, improving aeration and drainage. Organic manure, such as well-rotted farmyard manure or compost, is mixed in to enhance soil fertility and microbial activity. A final leveling ensures uniform seedling establishment. Seedlings are carefully transplanted in rows with proper spacing. Typically 10 to 15 centimeters apart in rows spaced 30 centimeters. To allow each plant enough room to develop a large, healthy bulb. Transplanting is done either in the early morning or late afternoon to reduce transplant shock. Regular watering is crucial in the early growth stages, with drip irrigation widely used to maintain moisture levels without oversaturating the soil, preventing fungal diseases. Farmers provide nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium fertilizers in balanced amounts to support strong leaf and bulb development. Organic methods like cow dung manure and vermicompost are also used for sustainability. Weed and pest control is done manually or with herbicides to prevent nutrient competition, while pests like thrips and diseases like onion blight are managed using natural and chemical treatments. After 90 to 120 days of growth, onions reach maturity when about 50 to 70% of the leaves turn yellow and naturally fall over. This is a clear sign that the bulbs have fully developed and are ready for harvest. Harvesting too early can result in underdeveloped bulbs, while delaying can lead to sprouting and reduced shelf life. Before pulling them out, the soil is gently loosened using a hand hoe or a small plow to prevent damage to the bulbs and roots. Onions are carefully lifted from the soil and left in the field for 2 to 3 days under sunlight to dry. This drying process helps remove excess moisture, allowing the outer layers to harden and form a protective covering, which is crucial for longer storage. Once dried, farmers trim the leaves and roots, ensuring that only firm, disease-free onions are selected for storage and market. Any damaged, diseased, or immature bulbs are sorted out to maintain quality. The remaining onions are then prepared for the curing process. To extend their shelf life, onions are cured in shaded, well-ventilated areas for 7 to 10 days. This curing process helps in further hardening of the outer skin and closing of the neck, reducing moisture loss and preventing fungal infections. The ideal curing method involves spreading onions in a single layer on bamboo racks, jute mats, or elevated mesh platforms to allow good air circulation. For long-term storage, onions are kept at an optimal temperature of 25 to 30 degrees Celsius with low humidity to prevent sprouting and decay. Proper storage conditions can keep onions fresh for 6 to 8 months. Farmers often store them in well-ventilated storage structures or traditional bamboo storage houses to maintain quality. From fields to markets across India, onions play a vital role in the agricultural economy, supporting millions of farmers and feeding millions of people. With proper harvesting, curing, and storage techniques, farmers can ensure a stable supply of onions while reducing post-harvest losses. Agriculture is the backbone of our world. And at Greenfield's Agriculture Technology, we are committed to bringing you more insights into the farming world. Stay connected with us as we explore more fascinating stories of crops, farmers, and innovations shaping the future of agriculture.